So this is the fabric that I'm done cutting. So this is fabric I want to make. This is 3 layer skirt. That's what I want to make for a baby. And so this is the net. That's the second step, is the net. So the this is the size of the baby. Yeah. I'm sewing this skirt, but the nipper, they took light, so I don't have power to iron this fabric before sewing. So what I did was I used pin to pin them, and I sewed the skirt. Trust me, it was perfect because I need to use this skirt, so I don't have choice than to sew the skirt because I waited for NEPA, but they didn't restore the light. So you can sew your own skirt even without ironing. This came out perfect. I just used pin. I'm done pinning everything, so I was just removing the pins, and I was sewing. This was what I kept doing. I just keep removing the pin and was sewing. So if you look at the stitches, it was neat. So if anybody tells you that I cannot sew without ironing, although ironing is best, but if somebody tells you that you cannot sew without ironing, my dear, it will still come out perfect. Just take your time and sew the thing, it will come out perfect. So look at me here sewing this skirt without ironing it, and it came out fine. So this is for my 8 months old baby. So I made this skirt for her. This skirt, she will have to wear this skirt even up to 2 years, because I made it long, although it was her perfect size. But even as at 2 years, it will not be short, but she can still wear it. So that's why I made it to be this long. So this skirt, you can make it for your baby, you can make it for your customer, and they will thank you. This is a perfect skirt. 3 steps that you can make for a baby, and it will look nice on them. I think sewing the net was more easier than sewing the ankara. So the net was going faster, faster, faster. But some people will say that sewing net, it depends on the net. Yeah, it depends on the net. So this is a lace. You know this George, yeah. So the top that they use, so this is mine. So I used it to make ankara. So it's not like some body nets that are lighter, that one it's more difficult to sew, but this it was easier to sew. Yeah, I'm almost done sewing the net, so I'm just rounding up. So here is my waistband, so, and elastic, because it's a small baby, so I don't want to use big elastic, so I just use the tiny ones. So that's me trying to hold it in the fabric. I'm just sewing the edge. I sewed both edge. That's after I'm done with the listing, but I first sewed the edge to hold it, then I now sewed them both sides. So the more you are dragging your elastic, that's the more it will be squeezing. So I was dragging it so that the thing won't go in. So I'm sure this is this thing, the waistband and the skirt. After I'm done sewing the three pieces of the skirt together, so I am I want to sew the waistband to the skirt. So I'm using pin to hold the the band and the skirt together. So that's what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to pin them together. So this is what I will be doing. Once I'm done pinning, then I'll start sewing. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly click the subscription button, please. I'm begging you, so that you get notifications if I post more videos. And please do like the video, comment, please. Thank you for helping me build this channel. Here comes our skirt. Finally, the skirt is ready. Here comes this beautiful skirt. Look at it now. Look at the skirt. Just take it and weave the mouth. That's that band side. See the skirt now. Abi this skirt no fine. Look at the fine skirt now. Rock it with white or any color of your choice, and your baby is good to go.